Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to create a new product and also how to clone a product in the new vendor panel. So first I'm going to create a product. So I'm going to hit this add button up here and then input the name of the product. Vendors listed as Cult Nation, categories. Try to just list the relevant categories. So for example, I'm doing a t-shirt. So I'm only going to list it in clothing, men's t-shirts, rather than, it's a silkscreen t-shirt. So you might want to list it as silkscreen print or something, but please don't do that. Stick to the t-shirts. So add categories and clothes. There we go. Then here I'm going to pick what I want the default category to be. So I'm going to make that t-shirts. Now my description, just paste that in there. I want it to be active. If you don't want it to be up for approval yet, then you can select hidden. So I'm going to do active. Okay, I'm gonna look up, here's my first, this is the default image you want. So that's my default image. For options, just leave this simultaneous. Pricing, if you wanna put a SKU code, you can put that in here. I do not, so I'm just gonna put it as 20 bucks. Wait a second, I think, sorry, I was supposed to do that up here too, 20 bucks. Oops. Okay. So the total stock I'm going to offer is 22. Zero price action. I guess that means if you have it listed at 0, then you don't want people to add it to the cart. For inventory, for now it says track without options. If you have a product that doesn't have options like size and color, that's fine. You can leave it like that. You probably don't want it to be set to do not track. So just leave it at track without options. I have options, so I'm gonna have to create the product and then I'll be able to put the options in. All this stuff, I mean, if it's something where you wanna set a minimum order quantity, you can do that. Maximum order quantity, that you can do there. I'm gonna leave that blank. I'm gonna leave it set to all. Out of stock options, none. If it's a product you're going to either has a pre-order, you can set it to buy in advance. Or if you're going to restock them and you want people to be able to sign up to find out about it, then you can select sign up for notification. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it at none. Product details view. We want to go Cool Baby Classic Product Template. It's not downloadable. Search words. You can just leave that blank. Well, no, let's fill that in. I'm just going to use my keywords that I set for this there. So let's see. Let's just hit create right now. Okay. So now all these other options up here have shown up. So we're going to go through those one by one. What just happened here? That's probably because I copy pasted. Okay, there we go. So maybe check your description if you copy and paste. Now we're going to go down to inventory again. Oh, I haven't added options, so I don't have that yet. Options. If it's an option that you know we have set up in the store, then click add global option. If it's not in there, you can create your own brand new option, but mine are in there. So I'm going to pick size and apply. And then I'm going to pick color and apply. Okay. Now I want color to show up first. So I'm going to make that position 0. You want to tick this box because you want it to delete your inventory based on the color option. Select box, that's fine. All this is good. Then we're going to go into variants. For color, there's a lot, so it's kind of a pain in the ass. I got to delete all these except for the ones I want, which are just black and white. There's no delete all option, unfortunately. Where are black and white? Jesus. Oh wait, there's black. This is ridiculous. But hey, you can offer a lot of different colors. And let's go white, black. You really only have to do this one time if you clone your products and you offer the same option, so don't worry. Okay, so I have white and black. I'm going to have black show up first, white show up second, so I'm going to make that 1, and black is 0. Save. Okay, now let's go into size. Size I want to show up second, and I want the inventory to track it. For variants, all I need are XL through small. So we'll just save that. Okay, now you can see color shows up first, then size. So now that I have my options set up, I want to go to option combinations. And in here, I'm going to start setting up combinations. So let's go black small, and then I'm going to clone that. Medium, clone, large. Clone is this little double page button. XL. Now I'm going to switch to white. Small, medium, large, XL. All right, I have all those. You don't have to order how they're going to show up, but I want to. So I have 8 options total. So I'm going to start white XL is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now I'm going to save those. And you'll notice there's no option for filling in inventory yet. That's because you got to go back to the general page now. Scroll down to that inventory box and click track with options. Then you're going to hit save on that. Oh, this fucking thing. What's going on here? You know what? I'm just going to go like that. Sorry, I'm still figuring out the system myself. Let's see. Now if I paste that and what happens? Looks good. Save. Now, I'm going to go back into options, back into option combinations, and now you'll see quantities shown up. So black small, I've got 1, 4 medium, 4 large, 2 XL. And then the same with white. And then save. Okay, so let's go back into the main area of the product. Images. I want to add the image of the white shirt as well. So I'm going to pick that out and put that in there. I don't think you have to save every time you make a change, but I do it just in case. SEO is already in there. It automatically populates that from the title. And then you can add in a title if you want. I'm just going to make it the same as my product. For keywords, again, I have some keywords to just copy and paste in there. It helps to have your brand name in there. That's just going to put it out there in the internet like regular SEO stuff. Shipping, this is really important. I'm going to click, that's ½ pound. Not offering free shipping. None of this stuff really matters down here. The main thing is the weight, especially if you're going to be using our calculated shipping. Let's see, there's no quantity discounts. None of this is relevant. This part under add-ons, this is just an extra feature. If you go down to product page options, this little box here is going to add in information about your brand. To begin with, I'm putting in the brand logo and the shipping location. I've already automatically done that for all the products that are up. If you want to do it, then this is how you do it. You don't have to do this because, oh, actually, shoot. I don't even know if I can, this isn't admin, so, whoops, that's not what I want to do, sorry. Okay, I don't think I can, okay, I can't add anything in here right now. So, oh, what's this? No, that's not what I want. Okay, let's just get out of here. So what I'm just going to do right now is put ships from, oops, this actually ships from Canada. I want to make that big, so I'm going to go into formatting and make that a header 3 so that people really see that this is coming to them from Canada. Avoids a lot of customer complaints. Features, you can select your own vendor name here. There we go. You just type it in. It's giving you the option of everybody, but just type your vendor name in here. It'll show up. Tags, again, just this is for the site, so you can put all these different things in if you want. Attachments, don't need to add those. Under reward points, uncheck allow payments by points. I might figure out a way to do that on admin site-wide because we're not offering points at this point. Points. Anyway, now I'm going to hit save. And I can preview my product by clicking the little gearbox and preview. And it's going to show me what it's going to look like on the front of the site. Okay, so yeah, we've got the title here, my brand name here. So if you click that, it's going to show all the products I've listed. My shipping location right here. Here's where they can choose their combos. If you're out of stock on something, when they pick the combination, it's going to say right here, option not in stock. It gives you a little zoom option. These are some features I'm still working on. This might be different in the live site. You can pick your different images down here. People can see what it looks like. Description that you added will be right here. Any features, which is the vendor right there. This is unnecessary. I might take that out actually. It's not really necessary because it already says your vendor name up here. And then, so that's looking good. Okay, so let's get out of there. And I think that's done. So now, if I know I want to add another t-shirt, which I do, then I'm just going to hit clone up in this little gearbox. And then everything I did, it just renamed it clone. So I can change the name here. Now what's the name of this t-shirt I'm about to, oh yeah, Riff Lords. So this is the Riff Lords t-shirt. My categories are all the same. I'm going to change this. A good description is awesome. I'm just doing extremely basic right now just for demonstration purposes, but I'm going to make it better than that after I'm done here. I just can't think on camera. Okay, so there's my Riff Lords image. It's still showing that one. I can delete that. Yes, I do. And then, so here, this is the one it's going to upload when I hit save. Again, these stay the same. Price is the same. Track with options is the same. Okay, all the stuff can stay the same. Let's change that to Black Sabbath and Sun, no, and Sun. Okay, so I'm gonna copy and paste those. Let's go images. I don't need these because I only have one image for this. SEO, I think that'll change once I've, let's see, tags. This is going to be Lord's t-shirt. Again, it's half a pound. Let's see. This is all the same. You know, I'm just going to take that out. I don't really even need it. All right, so all that looks good. That was super easy. Save it, and then there we go, Riff Lord's t-shirt. Okay, so this, we still need to change that. There you go. So you can basically, and we'll just uncheck that because that's unnecessary. So when you've cloned a product, just the main thing you need to look out for, change your SEO URL to the name of the t-shirt. That's the only thing. It seems to not just auto populate. Everything else looks like, yeah, picture's right. There we go. All right, Black Sabbath. Oh shoot. Well, that doesn't really matter. That's the wrong design. But anyway, this all looks good. There we go. Save and close. Now it's taking me back. Okay, I guess this one is disabled. I wonder why that is. Let's set that to active. All right, so that's basically how you create products. You can hit save, although I don't think it's necessary. And then you're good to go for products.